Today is the day that you are able to sign up for Styled to the Nines. Yes, registration is open. It is May 1st. And if you are seeing this on a replay, then that means that you probably only have a few hours left to sign up for my 6-week group coaching program that is going to help you up-level your online presence and help you with strategic messaging to capture eyeballs on the social scroll and convert them with messaging that resonates with your audience. So it's time to stop doing the guessing game. It's time to start really honing in on your skills that are going to help you stop the social scroll and start generating income for you and your business. And that means really digging in to who your audience is and what resonates with them most, creating strategic messaging that is going to captivate them in a way that's going to initiate and engage them to take action, and also give yourself an online presence that you are proud of, that is going to make people look at you and go, they are an expert and an authority in their industry. So now's the time to register for Styled to the Nines. This 6-week group coaching program is going to give you access to the following and includes weekly group coaching sessions, daily motivational emails giving you structured information on what comes next, and weekly videos for you to learn the necessities for you to uplevel your visual design and strategic messaging. Some extras in there are that you become a member of the College of Style community, which gives you access to connect with other members of our community. You also are going to have access, if you'd like, to sign up for SMS messaging so that you can get SMS messaging on your phone with inspiration straight from me to you so that you can see a light at the end of this design tunnel. Yes, we are designing communication and we're also designing visuals that are going to help you with your business. This means creating for not only Instagram, but also for TikTok and Facebook, and potentially even if you're on LinkedIn. I'm going to be helping you uplevel your design, making sure that you know what works and what doesn't to build your online presence. And that means it should carry over and be consistent across all social media. So registration is open. Make sure that you register today. You have until May 3rd to register at 11:55 p.m. Pacific time. So May 1st through the 3rd is the open registration timeline and space is limited. This is a beta program. So this is a very small cohort that I'm going to be working with. So make sure that you get in now. The investment is only $300. And so I want to make sure that you are getting a boatload for your $300, because if you don't get in this time, the next session that I run for this 6-week group coaching program is going to be a higher investment. So make sure that you get in now. May 1st through the 3rd is the open registration, and the program begins the week of June 1st. So I'm so excited that this moment is finally here and that I get to invite you into the Styled to the Nines group coaching program. You are going to love it, and I can't wait to see you inside.